Hey yo, viewers.
Hi.
We're in Boulder City, Nevada, just maybe 20 miles outside of Las Vegas. For the 2021 Las Vegas Turkey Trot. 6 tunnels to Hoover Dam. This is your first one?
It's my first one.
This is my third. It's a chilly morning, it's weird. I go to Georgia, it's cold and rainy. I go to Florida, it's cold and rainy. I go to Nevada, it's cold.
We ate a lot last night.
Yeah,
too.
we did.
Pretty full.
Tonight we have Thanksgiving dinner. I would be totally fine if I don't eat turkey at all. So here we go, running up these 7 miles in this 12K.
Can we thank Emily for saying hi? Hi,
Yes.
Emily.
I had to. I was thinking like I should watch my video from 2 years ago with above to see what this race is like, but it'll be fun.
We're gonna have a good time. Are you
Alright.
okay with not running a whole lot potentially?
Absolutely okay with that. There's a wind lake advisory right now. There's a big lake. And feel the wind, it's really cold. Woo. Thank you. Strong Gatorade. Was this tunnel number 3?
I believe so.
Tunnel 3. Character stop. Trail. About 2.5 miles in, heading down to the Hoover Dam. Yeah, 2.5 miles.
Yay!
That's not even the steepest thing.
Well, why did you say this is a fun race?
It's nice.
It is nice.
Look at it, it's nice. It's fun. We go down there, we go past the power thingy, go down to the dam, come back up. Yay!
Yay!
Running. Very rocky. If we listen to each other, here we go down. There it is, the 13th wonder of the world. I have no idea if that's factually correct or not. Feel the burn. Now, more than halfway to the turnaround. Let's do it all again. And all the downhills we went down, gotta go back up.
Can we do this again? Right now.
Really soon.
Right now.
Really soon. Still not as steep as Steamboat. Link above. It's insulting.
What?
Record outdoor walk.
Come on.
Come on. Hill, 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 hill.
Hard. The train sucks. Tripping over rocks. And I'm dirty. But the vistas are quite tremendous. I still am not quite sure why this is one of your absolute favorites, if it is. Because it's hard. It's a hard race.
It is.
Yeah.
I run mostly at Disney World. Love boats.
Woo! We're enjoying the scenery.
Yeah. See the finish line ahead of us.
You know,
Yeah.
it's not motivating me to go any faster.
Still about a mile away.
Yeah.
How was it?
It was good. It was fun. It was good. I'm really glad that I knew what to expect. And yeah.
Yeah, I did not remember like all the gravelly parts of it. It's like, oh, yeah.
Like, you told me there was just a little gravel. This is like walking through rock
Yeah, some of
sand.
it, you can't take like the middle. You can't take the side. You have to like go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
it was
it was good. So, another Las Vegas 12K complete. My 4th turkey trot, 3rd one of this one. So such variety. Now time for some coffee.
What?
Some coffee, some post-race
I want a
meals,
venti pumpkin spice latte to pair with my Cheetos.
and then some non-turkey Thanksgiving meal. So insert picture here of that. All right. Thank you for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and tell your mom about this.